can offend you. How you doing today? I hope you guys doing amazing. The channel is growing. The channel is growing. We almost about to hit 2,000 subscribers. And also, the good news is we almost there to get monetized. So you guys, I just want to take this moment to say thank you. Say Orado. That's how to say thank you in Ghana. And for those of you in France, merci beaucoup and gracia danke. I just want to let you guys know I appreciate you guys so much. So this video is just a nice, amazing video. So we traveled to London. We traveled to London, the capital city of England. So this video, we went to a market. This market is in Camden Town, the town of the most iconic Amy Winehouse, my favorite singer. Oh, Amy, whatever you are, rest in perfect peace. So we went to Camden Town. Camden also is very popular for, you know, how do you call it? The Bohemian, is that the right word? Or goth? Yeah. So, and also they have these amazing markets. They have a canal. They have amazing things. So this video, I just want to take you guys through what is going to be in this video. So let's start from how to get to Camden. So you can get to Camden if you're coming from Heathrow Airport. You can get to, you can use the Heathrow Express, then all the way to Paddington. Then from there, you can change to Northern Line. I think you also have to change on second line to get there. And then once you're coming from, let's say Manchester, you have to get to Paddington. No, if you're coming from Manchester, you have to get to Euston. Then from Euston, get another tube to Paddington or Camden Town. And if you're coming from Bristol, like me, you can get to Paddington, then get another line straight to Camden Town. Or if you're driving from Bristol all the way to London, you can park in Kensington, or you can park in Russell Square, or you can park in Camden, but it's very, very difficult to get a car park. So I won't recommend to go for first time in a car. I will suggest you go on a bus or you go on a train if you really want to have a nice time in London. And for those of you who lives around London but haven't been to Camden Town and you don't want to drive to Camden, you can get a tube or you can get a bus, but I always suggest you use the tube, but always check as well, because there's so many strike, there's so many network problems, but always check before you head to Camden Town. Yeah, so Camden is pretty amazing. There's an amazing train station. There's a Camden High Street. And like I said, to get there, you can get there by car, by train, or by tube. So now let's get into the video. So what this video is about. This video is about people watching, eating good food, eating Asian food, mooching around Camden, just taking photographs. So I want you to sit down, enjoy this video. You know, whenever I'm doing a video like this, I get excited because it took me many hours to shoot a video like this. So what are you going to get in this video? So you're going to get something like what to expect when it comes to Camden, and also what's the best time to visit Camden. I'll tell you guys shortly. And also, where is the best place to sit, whether the high street or the market, or which parts of Camden where you should visit. And it's pretty amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. During the video, I'll probably give you guys some tips. So I hope you enjoyed this part of the video. please do me a little favor. Like the video, subscribe to the video if you're not a subscriber, because you liking the video and subscribing will grow this channel. And also, not only that, it also motivates us, motivate me to go out to create content that will guide you, to help you to make your travel choices better. Not only that as well, just watching this video, at least you're enjoying what type of food to eat when you get to Camden. So if you like a content like this, you liking the video, which it doesn't take a second to hit the like button, and also subscribing and turning your notification button on, because the best thing is when you turn the notification button on, as soon as I hit publish, you will be the first one to be notified by YouTube. And also, you're also doing your friends, your colleagues a favor. When you like a video, you're telling YouTube to suggest to my friends, my colleagues, people abroad, multiple people. So please do like the video, subscribe. Thank you very much. Let's continue watching the video. And also the best time to visit Camden is between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Why I say 11 a.m. to 3 p.m.? Because from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. it seems like everybody is trying to rush to get back home. Then the market also start closing. So if you're somebody who really wants to enjoy the bubbleness, the craziness, the busyness of Camden, get there early. Get there in the morning, have some breakfast, then start eating good food.